It's 10:25, April 5th. I just got dropped off by my sisters and my niece up at exit 54 on 81. Rural retreat, or gross close. Most thru hikers refer to it as Atkins, even though Atkins is a little farther south, but that's the next major town, because there's nothing at gross close or rural retreat except for a gas station with a burrito place and of course the famous barn, but I didn't eat at either one of those places. Got picked up yesterday, went home, my old home, down on Piper's Gap, about an hour away, and had a great time. Got a shower, got my laundry done. My sister Peggy helped me get all the stains out of my pants. From the inside of my legs were muddy, and my butt, or the back of the pants, were dirty, probably from sitting on shelter floors, because I usually put my Z-seat down when I sit on the ground or on a log. Anyway, she did a great job and got my pants clean, so I looked decent. And we went down to Bannertown and ate at a place called Chase and Charlie's, and I had a cheeseburger and fries, of course, but everybody else had other items, and everybody said their food was good. And then we came back and visited for a while, had a real good time, real good stay, and they brought me back this morning and dropped me off, so everything's good. Gonna do at least 14 today to Knott Mall Branch Shelter, and we'll see what time it is when I get there. This part of the trail is pretty flat, so we should be able to make pretty good time. And with that, this is Reboot, heading north. So this is a first. I'm hiking along, and here's a privy, and down there's a picnic table. And this is called Davis Path Campsite, and it used to be Davis Path Shelter, but they tore the shelter down and left the privy and picnic table here. That's odd. I'm sure they had a good reason for it. Oh well. Looking at some beautiful farmland here in Virginia. Just crossed over 610 from Bland County into Smith County. It's a beautiful day. Somebody's little slice of heaven here in Virginia. I believe that's an old mill right there. This is Possum Creek. Just thought this was a pretty bridge with all the moss on it. It's going to be the wrap-up video for day 47. We are a mile north of Virginia 625 at a stealth site on a ridge, going toward Chestnut Knob. I'm camping with 3 other guys, Pritch, Starbucks, and Fireman. And the reason my tent is over here, I set it up right there, but their fireman noticed there was a Widowmaker right there, so I had to move my tent. So, but it did a little over 20 miles today, which is good considering I was dropped off at 10 o'clock. So not sure how many we're going to do tomorrow because there's some weather coming in tomorrow night. But we'll figure that all out tomorrow. Till then, it's all good in the woods.